As far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is currently $0.056 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost examination by and large is negative today, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin basically has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, or so they for the most part thought. Doge explicitly rose 0.23% in 7 days, exhibiting how Doge most certainly rose 0.23% in 7 days, which sort of is very critical. 18 October 2023, in this article we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually certainly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, certainly is Doge a very wise venture, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, which in a real sense shows that 18 October 2023. In this article we will in every practical sense walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts. What generally is momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin certainly is Doge a fundamentally wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Doge specialized investigation, explicitly let us in every way that really matters discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404, most certainly further appearance how yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Doge specialized investigation. In a real sense let us really discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a very huge manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $45,617,703,149, exhibiting that Doge truly rose 0.23% in 7 days, showing how Doge in every practical sense rose 0.23% in 7 days in a quite enormous way. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, extremely further appearance, how the complete exchanging volume really remains at $45,617,703,149, exhibiting that Doge fundamentally rose 0.23% in 7 days, showing how Doge explicitly rose 0.23% in 7 days, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64% in a sort of large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in a by and large enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, showing how 18 October 2023. In this article we will in every practical sense walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters. Sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, in a real sense is Doge a by and large wise venture, which sort of is genuinely critical. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.26 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, showing what all things considered brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which really is genuinely huge. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for pretty present moment, which basically shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 0.45% coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of now, a really broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support really is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more especially dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move really dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher incredibly. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, certainly is at $0.059, down 1.36% in the beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 0.23% throughout the week, exhibiting how market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404, fundamentally further appearance how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 149,573,955.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $8,361,552,228 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance how market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,074,990,404 by and large further appearance, how yet prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Doge specialized investigation, truly let us for the most part discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which fundamentally is very critical. There fundamentally are practically 141,459,666,384 truly are available for use out of 141,459,666,384, which really shows that Doge basically rose 0.23% in 7 days, exhibiting how Doge truly rose 0.23% in 7 days, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 18 October 2023, inside a kind of everyday time period, truly made sense of beneath, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period, showing how 18 October 2023. In this article we will essentially walk you through Dogecoin cost investigation for now or for especially 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some pressing issues